Hi, in this video, we will compare Klaviyo and ActiveCampaign. Klaviyo is an email marketing platform that helps businesses grow by enabling them to engage with their customers through personalized email campaigns. It offers many features designed to enhance customer communication and drive sales. Klaviyo allows you to create and send targeted email campaigns based on customer behavior, preferences, and demographics. You can customize emails with dynamic content, A/B test variations, and automate the sending process. You can segment your audience based on various criteria, such as purchase history, browsing behavior, location, and more. This enables you to deliver highly targeted messages to specific customer segments. Klaviyo provides detailed analytics and reporting features to track the performance of your email campaigns. You can monitor metrics such as open rates, click-through rates, conversion rates, revenue generated, and more. Klaviyo offers powerful automation capabilities that allow you to set up triggered emails based on specific events or actions taken by your customers. Klaviyo integrates with various e-commerce platforms, CRMs, and other marketing tools, allowing you to sync customer data seamlessly and create a unified view of your customers across different channels. Klaviyo also provides a free plan. Klaviyo pricing plan is based on how many contacts you have and starts at $35 per month. While, on the other hand, ActiveCampaign is a software platform designed to help businesses automate their marketing and sales tasks. It's particularly well suited for small and medium-sized businesses. ActiveCampaigns allow you to create email campaigns, design email templates, manage your contact list, and track email performance with analytics. ActiveCampaign allows you to create automated workflows based on subscriber behavior. For instance, you can send automated welcome emails to new subscribers or follow-up emails to people who abandon their carts. Manage your sales pipeline, track deals, and automate tasks related to the sales process. Create landing pages to capture leads and grow your email list. ActiveCampaign integrates with a wide range of third-party apps, such as Shopify, WordPress, and Salesforce. It also allows you to connect your marketing and sales tools in one place. ActiveCampaign also provide a free plan and have different pricing plans, such as for marketing, sales, bundles, and transactional email. If you want to use both Klaviyo and ActiveCampaign for free, then click the link in the description below. Thanks for watching our video.